Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toilet parts is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home maintenance, until something goes wrong. From flappers to fill valves, these components work tirelessly, and when they fail, it can lead to frustrating leaks, inefficient flushing, and increased water bills. Today, we're diving into the world of toilet replacement parts, helping you understand what to look for and how to keep your porcelain throne in top condition. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400 CRP 14 Toilet Repair Kit. Is your toilet constantly running or making strange noises? This repair kit is designed to replace inefficient fill and flush valves and leaky flappers. It helps solve the most common toilet fill problems. This fill valve adjusts easily to fit most 2-inch flush valve toilets. It's ideal for use in toilets using 1.6 to 3.5 gallons per flush or larger. The design ensures a wide range of compatibility. The flapper features corrosion-resistant microban material. This helps prevent breakdowns and leaks caused by bacteria. It's also chlorine and hard water resistant, ensuring durability. Worried about complicated installations? This kit is easy to install. You can get your toilet flushing like new again in 10 minutes or less. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's constructed from durable plastic and rubber materials. You can trust its quality and reliability. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution to those annoying toilet troubles. It replaces old, inefficient parts, and it's designed to fit most toilets, making installation a breeze. If you have a constantly running or noisy toilet, this kit is the perfect choice to restore peace and quiet to your bathroom. What people say. This is by far the best designed, easiest to install and configure, and reliable fill valve available. I've installed it in each of my toilets over the years. It fills fast, fairly quietly, and doesn't cause pipe hammer. Fluidmaster provides excellent instructions for the DIYers like me, both in the package and on their website, including troubleshooting instructions. If you are like me and it's your first time, let me offer this advice: save the old unit you pull out. For a few reasons. Reason number 1, you can use it to make sure the pull chain for the new flapper is the right length, and that saves you trial and error to get it just right. Reason number 2, the height of the unit needs to be adjusted to fit your toilet. If you compare the new to the old, this will save you time there as well. Reason number 3, spare parts. Number 4. Fluidmaster 502P21 Toilet Flapper. Is your toilet constantly running? This flapper is designed to replace leaky and corroded flappers. It helps prevent issues like ghost flushing, saving you water and money. This adjustable flapper fits most 2-inch flush valve toilets. It's perfect for high-efficiency toilets, ensuring optimal performance and water conservation. You can adjust this flapper to maximize flush efficiency. This feature helps you save water by ensuring the perfect flush every time. Made with corrosion-resistant microban material, this flapper prevents breakdown and leaks. It's resistant to bacteria, chlorine, and hard water, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 10 minutes. This flapper optimizes your toilet's flushing performance, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. This flapper fixes the most common cause of a running toilet. It's a simple solution to a common problem, ensuring your toilet functions properly. What we like. This flapper is built to last, preventing leaks and saving you money on your water bill. The adjustable design allows you to optimize flush efficiency. If you are looking for a reliable and water-saving solution, this flapper is a great upgrade for your toilet. What people say. They work great and super easy to install. Toilet functions as if it were brand new because the flushes are strong again. No more leaking like before. I also love how easy it is to adjust the dial on it. Dial controls how quick or slow you want the flapper to shut after you flush. The plastic is fairly thick for what it is, so considering its placement, I think it will last a very, very long time. Putting this on was super easy. I am a woman, and certainly not a plumber, and I had no problem clicking it into place or attaching the chain to the lever. Secondly, it makes movement easy, as it's quick to lift and quick to drop. Number 3. Danco 80806B 8-inch Toilet Handle Replacement, Chrome. Is your toilet handle broken or outdated? This replacement from Danco is the perfect solution. It's designed to easily update your bathroom. The 8-inch arm features 3 holes for adjusting the flapper chain. This allows you to customize the flush for the best performance. This handle is made to fit most standard toilets. However, it's important to check the arm length to ensure it's the right fit for your toilet. Built with durable aluminum and a corrosion-resistant finish, this handle is made to last. It's a reliable choice for your bathroom. The chrome finish will complement your existing bathroom decor. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference. For over 50 years, Danco has been providing reliable products for DIY projects. This handle comes with the trusted Danco brand, making it a great choice for your next project. What we like. This handle is a simple yet effective way to refresh your toilet's look and functionality. It's designed to fit most standard toilets and features a durable, corrosion-resistant build. If you like a classic chrome finish and need a quick fix for a broken handle, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's metal and will, unless it corrodes, resist breakage. The handle is nothing special, but it works. The brass arm was easily bent into the desired shape for the toilet tank. Number 2. Fluidmaster 400H002 Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. Is your toilet fill valve making a racket? This product is the quietest and most powerful solution available. It will solve your noisy toilet problem. Don't worry about complicated installations. This product comes with easy, step-by-step instructions. You can get it up and running quickly. This fill valve is designed to fit most toilet models and brands. It's a versatile solution for your bathroom needs. It is suitable for many different toilets. With adjustable tank and bowl water levels, you can customize your flush. It helps you save water and optimize performance. You can get the perfect flush every time. The easy twist height adjustment allows it to fit tanks from 9 to 14 inches. It's designed for a wide range of toilet tanks. This feature ensures a perfect fit. What we like. This fill valve offers high performance and quiet operation, ensuring a powerful flush every time. It's easy to install and features adjustable dials for water level control. If you are looking for a high-performing and water-saving solution, this valve is a great choice. What people say. The instructions are excellent and leave nothing out. The water flow is noticeably more efficient, and it fills the tank way faster than my old valve. You can fine-tune the water level and flow so easily with just a twist, which is super helpful if you're trying to save water or just get your toilet to behave properly. Number 1. Fluidmaster 400AH Performax Toilet Fill Valve. Are you tired of a slow and noisy toilet? This fill valve is designed to replace your old, inefficient one. It enhances your toilet's power and eliminates noise. This universal design is perfect for high-efficiency toilets. It easily adjusts to fit most toilets, ensuring optimal performance and water conservation. Experience a significant upgrade with this fill valve. It provides refill rates that are twice as fast as standard fill valves, improving overall efficiency. Take control of your water usage. The adjustable roller clamp allows you to regulate the fill level in the bowl. This helps you save both water and money. Don't worry about complicated installations. This fill valve is designed for easy installation, typically taking only 10 minutes or less. Get your toilet flushing like new again. What we like. This fill valve enhances your toilet's power, providing faster refills and eliminating noise. It's designed for easy installation and is compatible with high-efficiency toilets. If you like a powerful and efficient flush, this fill valve is an excellent upgrade. What people say. Installation was a breeze. I can't tell that filling is any faster than my old valve, but I will say it's much quieter. Where this valve really excels is the rapid refill time. Timing from when I pull the flush handle, it takes just 25 seconds until the valve shuts off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.